Well, there's an unlikely state employee who helps protect our state from dangerous pests and diseases. His name is Dozer, and he has a nose for sniffing out threats. Yeah. Cody joins us with more.
Oh, Dozer's my hero, man. He has saved us from some bad stuff. Please introduce yourself to the folks at home. You are?
Sure. Kevin Hoffman. I'm a program manager with the California Department of Food and Agriculture.
Very nice to meet you. And you are?
Jennifer Berger from Sacramento County Ag.
Nice to meet you. And this, of course, is Dozer. Let's talk about the invasive species. All the time, there's these creatures and beings and things that are trying to get into California that don't have any kind of predators. What would happen if these things got here? What's going on?
Well, in this case, today we're going to talk about Agent citrus psyllid and the disease long bing that it transmits. So if that disease were able to become established in California, it would basically help to wipe out the citrus industry in California.
The citrus industry in California as a whole, this one little thing could do that?
Yeah, the disease, once it gets into a tree is bound to die. There's no cure for it. So it may take several years, but the tree will decline and die. And so that's why we're trying to keep this particular disease, long bing, out of California.
That is so scary. And Dozer did that. He did that,
yes.
Right? He sensed something out. How does it work? How does it work with Dozer?
Dozer is trained to find the host material, so he's trained to find the oranges, citrus, leaves. It's also carried on citrus, curry. Mm-hmm. So he looks for those things which actually have the insects traveling on them.
And a lot of times you were telling me that it's just like normal people and they got something from grandma and they thought, well, this is not a big deal. I got this fruit.
Exactly, like Florida, someone's grandmother in Florida sending a box of fruit from her backyard, with no intentions, but it comes into our state, which could be devastating.
Devastating. That is so scary what you were just telling me about. My heart just jumped. Okay, let's see him in action.
Okay.
In these boxes that we're behind you, no, this is not what my desk looks like. Actually, this is what my desk looks like, but this is not my desk. Inside of here somewhere is something invasive, right?
Yes.
Okay. So let's go let him do his thing.
And he's a showboater, so he does not do this to people's mail.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So, but he knows he's on camera, so.
Right. Oh, look at that. Oh, my gosh.
Oh, something's in that box.
So this is his alert. And he opened it for me because I don't have a knife here. And these are oranges.
Yeah.
Every time Dozer finds something, he does get fed 2 times a day, but he gets a cookie.
Oh, good boy. Way to find those oranges.
Good job, buddy.
Thank you very much. You just saved us a world of hurt. Guess what? Dozer is a rescue animal.
He is a rescue. He's from the lab rescue in Georgia. But we get him all over the U.S., and they are trained at the National Detector Dog Training Center in Noonan, Georgia, through USDA, and he likes citrus as well.
That is awesome. Thank you, Dozer. I appreciate it. Now, he can detect all sorts of different things, right?
Soil, plant material, fruit, and even some insects. He'll alert on ladybugs and crickets.
Wow. Yeah. That is so fascinating. Yeah. Thank you very much for sharing this.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you guys. Thank you, Dozer. I really appreciate what you're doing.
I think if he thinks if he keeps at it, he'll get another cookie.
Yes. What do you think? Look, I found another orange.
Did you see it? I found the orange. Did you see that? Did you see that? Come on.
Good job.
Good job, Dozer.
Wow, that was quick. You destroyed that box.
For that a third time.
No, we won't.
Thanks.